This fern, it kind of comes in big clumps, quite huge clumps, and it is mainly on the slopes of these hills. I have seen this, and it spreads from underground, kind of some rhizome type of roots. Then you can see it's climbed up till there, almost 10 feet tall. And then those tender shoots are, uh, leaves and fronds are very pretty, quite showy. You can see one set here. And then these each of the frond is having two, four. It has quite a unique kind of structure, and to look also it's very pleasant and attractive fern. I think it will be good for these vertical walls and vertical gardens and all. We'll have a little close up. This but that botanical name I have not found out. Once I get the idea, I'll write it. Then another thing I noticed, the mature old leaves, they're having some. I think that must be the seeds. I think spores or some insect egg, but most probably it is spores. Seeing the kind of symmetrical pattern of those little dots, what you see there. Then after it dries up, looks like that. Now this is a kind of it's a hill cutting, this place, and on both sides of the road this one has spread. There's one clump here what I covered, and then on the other side also there's another fern, the same fern. This entire slope is covered with them, and higher ups you can see the root formation, and then I think it has caved in a little bit, so it's still clinging to the soil even though it has given way underneath. It can tolerate solid afternoon sun also, no problem. And this is a quite a vertical situation. This slope almost, I think there is some 60 degrees angle is there, but it has covered very well. I think it does well on pots also, but it may grow laterally, sideways. The new plants will be spreading on its own if you introduce it in a good location. And underneath also something is growing. So that's how it spreads from this one root. So this is a new fern which I have not covered so far.